the diagram for LSTM forward pass, hyperbolic tangent function. We are applying some weight, multiplying, and then processing through the layer. These are Hadamard product, and this is sigmoid function. This is tan H function. So these are activation functions. We are on each hidden layer. We are processing, applying some weight. Biases are calculated. Okay. That how far we are. That means loss prediction, loss function. Because we have to always compare with the distance of the actual and prediction. So it is always continuously in each hidden layer, in each activation function, it will calculate to predict the next word. As the name suggests, the forward pass and backward pass are unidirectional. Okay. Once data will be inputted, so you will get the output. Okay. It will not reverse back. Which process the unidirectional LSTM, which process the information in one direction, either on the forward side or in the backward side. Where the bidirectional LSTM process the data on both sides, persists the information. Okay, then it is feed forward. So feedback will be provided, and again the whole process will again reprocess, and it will be the text will be provided after some correction. Okay. Again, if you are not satisfied, then which part are affecting the process to predict the next word or the text. So it will be removed because some weight and sigmoid function will analyze activation function, and if it is less weight or some impact on the output, it will be removed or discarded, and it will be updated again. So all the LSTM type work on a basic structure. Updating the basic structure causes the difference between various LSTM. Okay, this is point-wise multiplication dot product. The weights and the input will be multiplied to process in the next step. We have to add here point-wise addition. All the text will be added, concatenated to make some sense of the, and one by one all the sentences will be connected in the final, before the final output layer, whole word will be connected to process as a text.